welcome to another Melbourne Railway Videos Production. Got a comment departing 543M, 572M, 571M. Apologies for missing the T cars. I believe the first car or carriage was 444M. The front half was EDI refurbished, the rear half Alstom. I'll just do a bit of a pan of Broadmeadows. Well, it's quite empty. This is platform 2. Right there's platform 1. Platform 2 is used for services towards Craigieburn and V-lines. Platform 1 is used for services towards the city. Platform 3 over there is for interstate trains, so Albury services and Country Link, New South Wales Train Link, XPT services. And yeah, I guess I'll give a little bit of a pan. It's a ups end of the platform. Up the track is a little siding that occasionally has track inspection vehicles stabled in there. And it's looking towards Craigieburn, Sydney, Shepparton. You may be able to see a Siemens up the track. That's in the Broadmeadows stabling facility. Broadmeadows was previously the terminating point for services on this line, but in 2007 the line was extended to Craigieburn, and platform 3 was added as part of the duplication of the standard gauge track from Seymour to the Northeast Standardisation Project. You can also see an old track just here. I don't think this is used. It looks like it was some sort of just stabling facility right there where this car park is. And that's pretty much it. Just over there is Broadmeadows Shopping Centre, and there's lots of buses around. There's Route 484 operating a Roxburgh Park service. Today, I think it's due to trains not running through the city loop, there are some delays. The previous train that you just saw was 15 minutes late. This train, which should be arriving shortly, is about 5 minutes late. So hopefully it comes. Here it is. An Alstom refurbished Comenge. Alstom is leading. Taking its time. This will be a Craigieburn service. $340M's leading, and 340M's now departing. $1,020T, 339M, 302M, 2001T. The rear car is 301M. Rear half again being EDR refurbished. Next up will be Coolaroo, followed by Roxburgh Park and Craigburn. We've got a comment driving.
Running approximately 16 minutes late. That's the 306 serves out of Craigburn. The 306 serves out of Craigburn to Unit 3. The train has departed Craigburn running approximately 16 minutes late. Metro train to apologise for inconvenience. Repeating, the 306 serves out of Craigburn. Train running approximately 16 minutes late today. This was affected train at Craigburn. Metro train to apologise for inconvenience.
The front half is EDR refurbished. 514M leading, followed by 1008T. 513M, 1292M. Rear half house and refurbished. The Craigburn service. As you might have heard, there's a lot of disruptions at the moment on this line. Problem with the train, which I suspect would be a comment, but you never know. And the combination comment is now departing. (1146T), followed by 591M. And we've got a sprinter arriving. This is returned from Seymour. Just 2 sprinters. (7007's leading. Faith Leach and Kirsty Marshall. 7014 is the rear of Kirsty Marshall. And the Southern Cross service is now departing. Next stop will either be Essendon, North Melbourne or Southern Cross. And literally 30 seconds after those sprinters departing, we have some more sprinters. It's time for a Seymour service. (7005) is leading. Also known as Michael Mackay. Rear car 7011. And the sprinters now departing. Should be. Stop to Seymour with connecting coaches to Shepparton. travel on all V lines. I think tomorrow it becomes just on coaches or in replacement coaches. So I didn't get the name of the rear car. It's just 7011. Shortly we'll have a comment driving. Alstom is the front half. This is the delayed train. I will be catching this. And this train concludes this Melbourne Railway Videos production. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next Melbourne Railway Videos production.